Nightmare Cleveland is a premier haunted attraction up here in northeastern Ohio. It's the home of Biotech Industries, and I'm here to tell you there is some crazy human experimentation going on in here. Like, I'm talking Resident Evil vibes. I don't know if they're doing DNA splicing or body part transplants or both or what they're doing, but it is crazy, and we are gonna kick it up another notch with the Touch Pass. So this is gonna be a no holds barred show. They're telling us they've got a full boat of actors tonight. I can already tell this is gonna be one of the most intense haunt walkthroughs of the season, and the best part is we're taking you inside with us. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
It's monster time. Uh-oh, they've had a breach. Oh my God. Oh my God. Tyler, there's one in here with us. Oh my God. Yeah, thank you.
Generation by merely doom scrolling, change the psychology, genetically modify organisms, change the population from the inside out. We're about to change the world. Welcome to a new awakening at Biotech by merely following rules. Nothing ever great has ever happened without cutting a few organs.
Oh God.
We're here to build better humans, and we realize that sometimes we've got to stretch ethics in order to do so.
Welcome to your tour of Biotech Industries. This facility was founded by Professor Fink and Dr. Steinman. Later, they were joined by Dr. Langford. Together, they believed they could reshape humanity and cure disease. While Langford focused on plants using their healing properties, the vines soon began to take over. The government stepped in, sending in Dr. Shushong, who weaponized biotech, turning their healing research into mass destruction with his ultimate creation, Project Phoenix! And for those that have a touch pass, you are our subject here. You have been warned.
Oh my.
You just got injected.
I think I just got tagged. Oh God. Oh my.
What was that? Yeah, thank you.
I'm going to send you down an observation board just as a precaution, okay?
Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Something in there. Oh my. No, you stay in there. No, not. Okay. So they must be observing all of these things. It's already moving. Oh. What's that? Yeah. Okay. I'm not the host. No.
I won't fail this time.
Okay, I believe you. I believe in you, actually. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. Okay.
We've been able to weaponize them.
There's a lot of vines. Oh. Okay. So many vines. Ew. My God, renew you. Yes. I'm just gonna keep going this way. That's a lot of vines. Holy ah! What is that? I don't like it. Oh my God. It's behind you, Tyler. Oh no! No! Oh my God! I didn't do it!
You did this last! You want to go out, didn't you?
No! I'm not good with technology. I didn't do it. I didn't touch it. Oh crap! Oh my! I think they did it. You ever get the feeling you broke into somewhere?
Oh no.
They're gonna get out. Let's hope that stays in there. Okay. There's one behind you too. They're everywhere. Oh my God. Oh. Let's go towards the red light. Oh crap. I don't know if we should stay with the monsters or come in here. Uh-oh, she's done talking to it. She was just a vessel! Okay. A means to an end! What happened? Oh. This is the miracle! Yeah. This is our future!
That's debatable.
Looks amazing! Shoot. She's got another one of the syringes. Ah! No, syringe! Oh, no. That was a good one. Ah! Oh, God. What's going on here? Oh, my. What happened to your skin? Oh, yeah. I got all of my skin. Okay. All right. We must have passed. Wow. Oh my, I've had 3 injections. Still behind us. I don't trust this. Yeah! That's why! What the hell even is that?
Professor Simon, General Partner of the U.S. Navy, still over line 2.
Oh, crap. I don't trust it. No. Oh, it's one of those things. Oh, God. It's a biotech staff member. Uh-oh. Crap. There's that thing in the wall. Oh, not another one. No, I've had 4. Look out, Tyler. Oh, no, that's not necessary. Oh, my gosh.
Don't eat that. Don't eat that.
That was disgusting. This is where you're supposed to seek shelter. No, that's not shelter. No. Oh my gosh.
Mushroom head.
There's a mushroom in the women's restroom. Oh no.
Oh, yep, that's where that goes.
Yep. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh. They're working properly. Yeah. That was not! That was a wing! Okay. Oh crap, now they're looking at us. Uh-oh, evacuate to ground level. I don't know where that is.
Elevator.
Forward to elevator.
We gotta find the elevator.
Okay. Yeah. To the elevator.
Everybody on the wall!
Okay.
Arms out! Everything's fine. Alright.
Attention. We have
Understand?
Okay.
Alright, you have an important job. When I say now, you press glowy button, alright?
Okay.
Now!
Glowy button.
so glad we set this up.
That takes us to the ground level.
Oh crap. No!
What are you doing here?
Well,
Show me your neck. I'm looking for a Genesis marks.
No.
We don't need any more of those spliced freaks down here.
Okay.
Head this way.
Okay.
Together, move it.
Stick together.
Oh no, they have a wheelchair. They have a wheelchair. Got that glazed over
Not
look in
winning
his
the
eye.
staring contest. Where did they take us? Oh yeah, no, nothing there. What is happening? Holy crap! Woo! Oh my! Oh my god! Oh! Woo! Oh hello! Oh my god, they're grabbing me! Okay. I think they just did a wheelie! Oh my god! Woo! What is happening? Ah! Oh my goodness!
Sterilization complete.
We got sterilized! Yes! I'm now clean of something. Okay. Oh. Okay. B16. Project Phoenix knows.
Oh my.
Oh, hi there.
Oh my.
Oh my
Oh,
god. What
What
the
are they doing?
hell?
Oh, God.
I don't know.
Oh my.
But they got
Go this way.
Oh, we're not even broken. We're not. Okay, that's good. But when they are, they'll serve us. What is that? Oh.
He's alive, bud.
Okay. Did he just howl? This don't look good at all. Oh my god, what are they doing? Oh no, Tyler, what is that?
Time to go this way.
Ooh! Oh my god. Why do they all look? No. I don't know who to trust. I don't know.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm gonna follow this guy that's walking around like a zombie. I don't know. Looks like somebody tried to cut you open. Oh yeah, they did. Did they take your brain?
Looks like he's got a headache.
That's where that brain came from earlier. Yeah. What is that? It's got freaking spider legs. That I feel it in my body. Whoa.
That was that shot. That's the shot. Kicking in.
Okay. Side effects. Oh.
They got eggs and some kind of chambers.
I don't know what that is.
Oh god.
Okay. I didn't touch your egg. I didn't touch it.
Oh god.
It's got claws.
Oh no.
Holy hell.
Oh
my
That's not
God.
good. That's
I think
not
something
good.
exploded. Oh, you got an extra hand.
Oh god.
Oh my god, the vines. Oh,
No.
that's so disgusting. What is that even?
Big monster.
More claws, okay. Okay, I think they're trying to save us. That's what they're doing. Yeah. Oh, she's got the hands.
Don't eat that.
You are not supposed to eat that.
You just keep eating that. She don't try to eat us. Right behind you. Right behind you.
Oh! Ah! Oh! No!
That's
What
a
is
big
that?
one. That's a big one.
I don't
He's
want
got a
one.
stinger.
Being
Oh
obedient.
no.
He is?
Yes, he is. Until Dr. Shishan Pig has Phoenix, Phoenix will destroy everything in its path.
So that's
Oh.
not Phoenix.
That's not Phoenix.
Okay.
Oh no.
We'll see if
Oh,
we can
God.
find him, I
Oh,
guess.
God. I don't think we want to find Phoenix.
What is that?
Oh god.
So many
He's got a claw.
Ew.
He's got a
Oh,
claw.
that guy's face is melted off.
Oh god.
Oh my god. Okay, what's going on? I'm being held at claw point.
He slid all the way under that.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, that might be Phoenix. I think he's eating something. Maybe they won't see us.
Yes! Yeah. I'm just gonna keep on going this way. I was never here.
He's coming.
Oh, no! But I hear creepy crawlies. That's the problem. Like things like that. Oh my God, you guys are all mutating. Oh. It's okay. It's just a side effect. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God.
Oh no. We're just gonna go this way.
I'm gonna hope there ain't any. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, thank you. Oh God. Where's this lake?
Oh no. Oh no. I don't know what they're hatching in there, but they need to stop. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Finally, you're here. Grab on. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on. We gotta go see the bugs. We gotta go see the
bugs?
cockroaches.
Oh God. Cockroaches.
You mean we haven't seen the bugs yet?
Okay.
A lot of spider webs.
Ew.
A lot of murder hornets.
Murder hornets.
Damn it.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on, we gotta go see
Okay.
the cockroach.
We have to. What's that?
The cockroach. We gotta go see the cockroach.
Hi, cockroach! Yeah, we let it attack us. Oh my God. Okay, now we go that way.
Maybe.
Oh, you stay there, cockroach. Oh my God. Oh, what is that? They all have very strange creaturistic features. Oh, yeah. Like
not
really
supposed to have
sharp
teeth there.
No, you're not.
Oh no. Oh no. Going this way. Oh no.
Oh, no.
Still following us.
No.
Oh. Big Spidey.
So many spiders! What the hell? Oh my God! What is that? Holy shit.
Oh no.
Oh my.
Oh no.
He's had a little too much monster. Like for real.
Holy freaking crap, you guys. That was Nightmare Cleveland up here in Cleveland, Ohio. Let us know what you thought. I told you they were firing on all cylinders. That has got to be one of the most intense haunt walkthroughs of the season. Now, if you want to take it up another notch, I've got the full uncut walkthrough for you here on our members only side of our channel. So sign up to become a member and you'll be able to watch us go through the whole thing, nothing cut out. But until then, you're not going to want to miss the next haunt walkthrough, and I've got a link for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.